Y'all, I had to come to Max. Every time I come into Max, I smell the chicken. So I'm going to try a piece of chicken. I bought a chicken breast. This chicken does look good. So I'm going to try it. This is over in Kingsville in Tauber, Louisiana. Max Fresh Market. Okay. Okay, y'all, and this is a chicken I got from Max Fresh Market. The chicken breast, I just got me a chicken breast and some potato wedges. She didn't even charge me for the potato wedges. Thank you. That is so nice of her. I thanked her as well. But yeah, these are the two potato wedges. Good and crunchy. And of course, this chicken is good. Crunchy looking. Okay. And this is at Max Fresh Market. And $2.31 for chicken breast. And I got some potato wedges. Because the turkey is over with. Turkey eating is over with for right now. Back to the regular food, huh, y'all? And I shall say that this chicken is well seasoned. Oh, yeah. Look at that chicken breast. It's tender. Look at the juice. See the juice glistening? It's not dry.